Hi there. Today's topic is all about something we probably don't do enough of, but should be doing a lot more: laughing. And I'm not talking about just a chuckle here and there. I mean the kind of laughter that makes your belly hurt. There's a beautiful quote by E. Cummings that sums this up perfectly. The most wasted of days is one without laughter. Hi, I'm Lipika Sud. I'm an interior designer, a motivational speaker, an artist and a poet, and I love sharing beautiful things with you. So why does laughter even matter? Well, besides the fact that it feels amazing, laughter has this magical ability to make everything seem lighter. You could be having the worst day. Your car breaks down, you spilled coffee on your shirt, but if you find something to laugh about, suddenly things don't feel as overwhelming. There's something about laughter that connects us as humans. Think about it. How many times have you bonded with someone just by sharing a laugh? Whether it's cracking up with friends over a silly joke or watching a hilarious video that has you in stitches, laughter builds connections. Let me share a personal story. A few months ago, I had one of those days. Everything was going wrong. My computer crashed in the middle of an important project. I knocked a glass of water on the couch. You name it. It happened. And then, after all this, I accidentally spilled a bag of flour all over the kitchen. It was a mess. But instead of getting frustrated, I just burst out laughing. I mean, who drops a bag of flour? It was ridiculous. And that laugh changed everything. It reminded me not to take life so seriously. I ended up calling a friend and we laughed about how my day had turned into a comedy show. It was exactly what I needed. So how can we make sure that no day is wasted without laughter? It's easier than you think, and it doesn't take much effort. Tip number 1, find your funny source. Everyone has their own sense of humor. So find out what makes you laugh. Is it watching a funny TV show, a stand-up comedy, or goofy YouTube videos? Anything, maybe a prank with your cousin. The key here is to actively seek out things that make you laugh. Tip number 2, don't take yourself too seriously. This one's a game changer. Sometimes we are so caught up in trying to be perfect or handling everything just right that we forget to laugh at ourselves. Life isn't meant to be so serious. The next time you mess up, maybe you trip over nothing. I do it all the time. Or you send a text to the wrong person. Just laugh it off. You will feel so much better. Surround yourself with positive, fun people. Laughter is contagious. If you hang around people who love to laugh, you're going to laugh more too. Surround yourself with friends, family, or co-workers who know how to find humor in everyday situations. Even when things get tough, these people will remind you that it's okay to lighten up and enjoy the moment. Tip number 4, laugh at small things. Sometimes we wait for big moments to laugh, like going to a comedy show or hearing a hilarious story. But laughter doesn't have to come from big events. It can come from little things, the silly mistakes, the weird quirks of life, or even just remembering a funny moment from the past. Like me walking into a glass door. It was embarrassing at that point of time, but I laughed it out. A great way to do this. So there you have it. Life is too short to be taken too seriously. Don't let your day go to waste. Add some laughter to it. Until next time, I believe in you. I love you. Keep laughing and living.